Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to view your security code on Gmail. This process is vital for keeping your account safe, so let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Gmail app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. Now, a menu will pop up. From there, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your account. Next, look for the Security option and give it a tap. This section is where you'll find all the important tools for safeguarding your account. Now here's the step where we find that elusive security code. Tap on the option labeled Security Code. This will prompt you to verify your identity for security reasons. Once you've completed the identity verification step, voila! You'll be able to view your security code. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Gmail security code. Keeping your account secure is essential, and knowing how to find this information is a step in the right direction. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.